Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook stone crab. Stone crab claws are a true delicacy, often enjoyed for their sweet and tender meat, which many compare to lobster. The great news is that these claws are almost always sold pre-cooked and chilled, meaning your cooking process is really more about preparing them to be served. This makes them a fantastic, easy option for a special meal. Let's get started. Once you have your beautiful stone crab claws, the first step is to prepare them for eating. Since the shells are quite hard, you'll need to crack them open. A small mallet or even the back of a heavy spoon works perfectly. Just apply gentle pressure to crack the shell in a few places, being careful not to smash the delicate meat inside. This makes it much easier to extract the delicious crab meat. Stone crab claws are traditionally served chilled, making them a refreshing treat. You can also let them come to room temperature for a slightly different experience. The most popular accompaniment is a tangy mustard sauce, but melted butter is also a fantastic choice. A simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the cracked claws can also brighten their natural sweetness beautifully. Enjoy them as an appetizer or a main course. If you have any leftover stone crab claws, or if you're preparing them in advance, proper storage is key. Keep them refrigerated and consume them within 1 or 2 days for the best quality and safety. It's important to remember that if your claws were previously frozen and then thawed, you should not refreeze them. This ensures the best taste and texture for your next delightful stone crab experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.